Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, August 22. Time is around 6 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and just like yesterday, I think we can still have a couple of scenarios here playing out. So let's have a look at them. What we can expect, what we should be prepared for. First of all, let's have a look at the annotations in green. The annotations in green, which I would call my a bearish scenario. Bearish in the sense that we expect our wave one to be in here. So wave one of the higher degree, the primary degree. So after this fifth wave here, so this was a 4, then A, B, C as a 4, fifth wave up. So now we should be done here. This like if we zoom out to the higher time frame, this could make sense. We have divergence in the weekly, also in the daily, so this could make sense. And then what we should expect from here, is a corrective move down to make this wave 2 here. After wave 1 up, we should have a correction as a wave 2. And then there are some scenarios how this can play out. First of all, what could happen is here a WXY structure as a correction to go into this area. So then what we need to see is an ABC here, W wave to complete, the wave W, then a wave X up, and then a wave Y down. So now it looks like we are having our ABC here. Ideally, we go into this area here. This area is the area that we can find by taking the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B. Then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area where we should go for our wave C. However, it looks like this low here will hold for now, and so it could be that we already have our wave W here, so that we did not reach this area. If we reach this area, I think it is an interesting buying opportunity. But for now, it looks like this low here is holding. And if it is holding, it means that they want this low to hold. And so I would not be surprised if we see upside from here instead of this area. And so if this is the case, then we know the target for our wave X. So then our wave X should go here into this area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. This will be the target for our wave X. So this might be an opportunity to take something intraday in this wave up here. Like if a rally would start to unfold, like we have a target and then we are really like going to this target, so maybe something can be catched there in the way up to this wave X. So that's something I'm looking at, and then from here I would like to initiate a short again. So I think that's one setup. Like if we get into this area yeah, then along from here. If we do not get into this area and we are finished here, maybe try to catch something on our way towards this target here, and then from here I believe yeah, we can go short again, also depending on which corrective structure we get here. Ideally we get like an ABC, and then we have a second area from where we can initiate a short. So that's a possibility. From there, we should then see more downside. Like if I look at the 1 hour, it looks like we are still missing this fifth wave down. Like we do not end here with divergence. We only broke the RSI trend line now, which is for me an indication that we can have a wave 4 here. So ideally, we have one more push down here as a wave 5, and then a long can be initiated, I believe. But yeah, can also be a marginal break of this low here, that we take out this low, but not this low. So yeah, we have to see another scenario for the correction is that yeah, this unfolds actually as a wave A. So this unfolds as an impulse. So then we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A, then a B up, and then a C down. So that's also a possibility to take into account. And then let's have a look at the scenario in red. So the scenario in red is a scenario where I assume here an expanded flat structure. So that would mean that we have our wave 3 here, but the wave 4 was not in here yet, and so also not the wave 5, but instead we have an expanded flat. Then it would be 1, 2, 3 down as a wave A. Then this here is something corrective as a wave B. And then here we should have 5 waves down as a wave C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then this should become more like an, I would say, an ending diagonal, because we cannot go too deep. Like we have to take out this low, but we have to stay into this area here, because this is the area for our wave 4, and that would mean then that our wave 4 is in here, and that we then have the wave 5 to the upside. So yeah, as you can see, I'm very aware a couple of scenarios, but yeah, I always rely on a couple of scenarios. You should know what can happen. You cannot fixate on one scenario, in my opinion. But yeah, I know what I would like to trade. Like if we go into this area, I would like to buy it. If this low here holds, then I would like to take something here on my way up. And then if we will reach here, then I look for a short entry to get this wave Y to the downside, because like once we get here, risk reward, this becomes an interesting short trade, and especially if you can like time your entry quite well. If we get like enough information here to define a good entry for this short, then you can make your position risk free, and then yeah, then you just see if it plays out or not. So okay, this is what I see for the DAX. So yeah, a couple of scenarios. Let's see what we get today, what the market gives us. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.